ብላ እያት እያት Hello? Hello? The one and only.
Bro, shut up.
Dumbras. How you doing, baby? How you doing? Oh my God, this is Fifi. How you feel?
Bro, can you actually stop?
This right here is the one and only undisputed champion of TikTok. Multiple number ones in Canada, US. Was so strong in Canada, she had to be transferred over to US. Fifi. Yo, that's my dog right here, guys.
Yeah.
ኢትዮጵያ ካናዳ መጣለው ስል ማለት ፊፊ ሳላትማ አይደለም ብዬ ማለት ነው ደወልኩላት። መተሽ ባይ ዘ ዌይ ጥያቄ አልነበረም ሪኩዌስት ነው ያደረኩላት ማለት ነው። መተሽ ፒክ ታደርግኛለሽ እና 5 ሰዓት አሳልፈሽ ትሄጃለሽ ወደ ቤትሽ ብያት ነበር። I told her she's going to go live. She's not going to go live today, you know?
I go live on reset. I don't go day.
Oh, you do go? I thought you go like 4 p.m.
Not Sunday. I mean, not Monday. If I don't go live Sunday, that means there's no reset push.
Oh.
Just get on the reset.
Oh, shit, you're right.
What's good?
What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo, Makino Aras, it's Ed there. Shiva, that. G-Class. Is this AMG? It looked like a GLE. I don't know, it looked like an AMG too. But, guys,
where are we going?
Yeah, let me figure that out. So, you can out the chain monitor. I'm going to figure out. I'll be back in like